Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of indoor gardening with 5 unique tips that will transform your indoor garden. Stick around to learn how to make your indoor plants thrive like never before. Tip number 1. Use coffee grounds as fertilizer. Coffee grounds are rich in nitrogen, which helps promote healthy growth in your plants. Just sprinkle a thin layer on top of the soil and watch your plants flourish. Tip number 2. Create a DIY self-watering system. Use a plastic bottle, poke some holes in the cap, and bury it upside down in the soil. This will provide a steady water supply to your plants, perfect for those busy days. Tip number 3. Use crushed eggshells for pest control. Crushed eggshells act as a natural barrier against pests like snails and slugs, keeping your plants safe and healthy. Tip number 4. Sprinkle cinnamon on the soil to prevent mold. Cinnamon has natural antifungal properties that can help keep mold at bay, ensuring your plants stay healthy. Tip number 5. Use banana peels for plant nutrition. Banana peels are rich in potassium and other essential nutrients. Simply place them at the base of your plants and let nature do the rest. Thank you for watching. We hope these unique indoor gardening tips help your plants thrive. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing gardening tips. Happy gardening!